Hi there, Ricky Cool here with the third in my series of harmonica lessons. It's been a while since I've posted a harmonica lesson on YouTube, so it's good to get back into it. For this lesson I'm going to be using a harmonica in the key of C. Okay, this particular one is a Hohner crossover, and what we're going to be looking at today is the whole question of playing single notes in the harmonica. There are two main methods for doing this. The one method is called puckering, and the other method is called tongue blocking. Now, with the puckering method, what you basically do is you purse your lips together to form a small opening like so. Place your lips on the harmonica over the particular hole you're going to blow, and let's concentrate on the 4-hole blow here. So I purse my lips and blow through the harmonica to get the single note. If you don't put your lips quite far enough on the harmonica, you get quite a lot of air in the sound. So you have to try and find the optimum position for your lips so that you get a nice pure tone from in this case, the 4-hole blow. What you'll hear when you try to do this for the first time, you will hear the sound of other holes as well, this sort of thing. And it takes a while to adjust until you get the pure single note. And then once you've got that, you keep the same shape for draw notes or sucking. Now that's as much as I'm going to say about the puckering method today, because I want to actually concentrate on tongue blocking. The main reason being that tongue blocking does give you a bigger sound on the harmonica. It gives you a fuller tone. The tongue blocking method is perhaps not quite so easy to master in the first instance, but it's definitely worth persevering with. So here goes. The idea is to place the tip of your tongue, I hope you can see this okay, to place the tip of your tongue on the little strip of, in this case, wood, but on some harmonicas plastic, on the little strip of plastic between the 2-hole and the 3-hole. Okay, what I'm trying to do here is get a single note from the 4-hole blow. So I place the tip of my tongue on the little strip of wood between the 2-hole and the 3-hole. Okay, I'll show you what I mean. Like so. Okay. You then push your tongue a little bit until you feel it fill those 2 holes. Then you close your mouth around the harmonica. And the idea is that you're going to shut off any air that escapes from this side of your mouth and allow the air to escape from this side of your mouth, the right-hand side. Here we go. Now again, it's unlikely that you'll get that sound straight away. What might happen first of all is that you might hear the sound of other holes, or possibly you might hear this. Where air is going into the 1-hole blow as well as the 4-hole. That's actually a really useful thing to be able to do as well, particularly if you want to develop into a blues harmonica player, because a lot of times blues harmonica players will use octaves to get just a great big fat sound. Okay, so with a little bit of practice and a little bit of perseverance, eventually you will find you can get that single 4-hole blow. I'll give you a chance now to compare the tone as I pucker the 4-hole blow and then tongue block the 4-hole blow. Here's the puckering sound. Here's the tongue block sound. It's got a slightly more rounded tone. Once you can do that, you then need to keep exactly that same position, and then you can suck. If we then move up to the 5-hole blow, your tongue in this case now will touch the strip of wood between the 3 and the 4 hole and block off those 2 holes. Same as we move up to the 6 hole. And then when we move to the 7 hole, if you're going to play a scale, you suck first and then you blow. So what we've just played is a C major scale, running from the 4-hole blow through to the 7-hole blow. And in this case, I am playing in the key of the harmonica. This is a harmonica in C, and that is a C major scale. Okay, so once you've mastered getting the single notes, it's quite nice to be able to actually do some scale exercises and practice playing the scale along with the backing track. I've got a backing track lined up here on my computer, which I'll just put on now so that you can hear the C major scale played with the backing track. What I'm doing here, I'm playing, for those of you who understand a little bit about music, I'm playing minims. Each note I play is lasting for 2 beats. Here we go. And at the end, the last 2 times, I speeded up my playing of the scale to crotchets, because that's what I'd like you to do. Master it first slowly, and gradually then increase the speed. In the next lesson that I'm going to give, I'm going to carry on working on the C major scale. I've got a few exercises that you can try out. This is exactly what I've just done as an audio example. Here you can see the C major scale going up, ascending, and going down, descending. These notes are minims. Each note lasts for 2 beats. Here are the whole numbers I played. And the arrows, the up arrow means blow, the down arrow means suck or draw. So there's the C major scale as minims, and here it is as crotchets. Now, I'm quite happy to send you via email this sheet and also the backing track that I used for the exercise. The email address that you need to contact is on the video, and I look forward to hearing from you. It is definitely worth persevering with the tongue blocking method, and it's definitely worth persevering with playing that C major scale, because as you develop your technique, it helps you, these sort of things help you get to know your way around the harmonica. And in my next few lessons, I am going to be concentrating on playing in first position and doing some exercises and some tunes which will really help you understand the layout of this wonderful little instrument. Okay, cheerio for now.